On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a little fruit drink. Trap most of the little fruits and we can get around in Jamaica. We have one vegetable in there. But I just want to pause here to say special thanks to all my subscribers, my oldie but goodies, my returnees, and special welcome to the new people coming onto the page. I want to send a special shout out to my patrons. If you would like to be a part of my Patreon family, click on the link in the description. Join us over on Patreon. Of course, our post notification shout out, they go right up there. So I've got here some carrots, sliced, washed, scraped, sliced. I've got some guava, and actually I've got the pink ones, so they will come with these carrots and give me a little, maybe a little light blend. We'll see the color. I have here one orange. I put it in quarters. I've already removed the seeds and them look, them look part in here. So I've got me a good amount of Starfruit, and these Starfruits are sweet ones. I selected sweet ones. I didn't leave the ones that are tart. So even though they look green, they are not like, some of them are so bitterish and tart. No, these are nice and juicy, not too sweet, and they don't have any tart in them. They are really, really good. So Starfruit, guava, this is the cream of the crop. It's very strong, so we have a good amount here. We have carrots and we have some oranges. Okay, it's one orange is quartered. I've got here just some, and the starch is settling in there. Yeah, my ginger, my homemade ginger juice, and the starch is settling in the bottom. I did it sometime. This is lime juice. I have a quarter of a cup of compact light brown sugar. You could substitute that with some honey, and we are going to get going right now. My hands are clean. I don't need to put on a glove. So this is my juice. So I'm putting in some Starfruit. I'm putting in orange. I'm putting in some guava. So I'm going to be doing it like this. Putting in some carrots, of course. We're going to put in a mix of everything each time we go, because my blender cannot hold all of it at once. I'm going to be putting in more guavas. Everything was washed, properly washed, and they are coming from my refrigerator. Okay, so this seems like we are good to go. We're going to be just right here and now. We're going to be adding some water, and I won't be adding a lot of water because I like my juice strong. Okay, I want to know that long time. I don't like the whole long water thing. Yeah, so with that amount of fruits in there, I've had my water right here. Going on to this unit right here and now, and I'm at juice, and I'm just gonna be, juice is already flicking, so I'm just gonna be starting juicing. So this is the color. It might not be the same color because we didn't have them in equal parts. You see that? So it's thick, it's nice. I'm gonna be throwing it out and let it go to the strainer. You could also use your juice extractor. Alright, so what I normally do, I don't like to rub it out. I like just to just lift it up like this. And just, you see that? So as I lift, it comes down like that. And I think I've showed you something like that already. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna load up back with blender, and then I'm just, when you see me next, you see what I'm doing. So the next batch out there is just the same treatment. So basically this looks like the color. So it's like a mix of the guava and the carrot. So it's giving it this. Yeah. Next clip. So here we go, cooking fam. This is our juice, all smooth and nice. That strainer that we use, it's a double strainer. It's double, so when you use it, it's just smooth and nice. You can get that also on the Amazon storefront. Also now I'm going to be putting in some lime juice, and I'm going to use in half of this. If we need more, we will put it, because remember we had the orange in there. I'm going to put in my half cup of sugar. I'm also going to put in a half cup of this ginger juice. You see that? Really strong. I like to add my ginger juice different. I don't like to really I really don't like to, because when you blend the ginger, it's sort of hard to get that blend. So when you have the ginger juice of itself, you can add as you go along if you don't have enough, So we are gonna get this all mixed in, and then we'll come back, see if we get the blend. And of course we're gonna get our juice jug, and that's how simple it is, and we're gonna serve up some for you. So here we go, cooking fam, and we have some ginger left back. You can just use this, and you can put a little honey, you can put a little turmeric or turmeric powder, grate a little turmeric root, and you put your little honey, and then you could also put some extra lime juice too, and then you can have it as a little wellness shot. You take one each day, or if you don't want to do that, you can put this in little ice cubes, freeze them, and you have ginger ice cubes. So that's what I'll be doing. So this is our juice. I'm just gonna be pouring into my serving jug right now, and all of that. So here we go. It doesn't have a spout right there, so I have to be ladling it out. That's what I'm doing. So guys, I just put a little ice. You know, I don't serve, but this one is so strong, so I just put a little ice in there for you. Yeah, so from my kitchen to yours, let's put a little garnish. We have a little slice of our lime right there. Yeah, beautiful. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is starfruit, guava, and carrot done just for you. Please do enjoy. Beautiful.